This week's parsha is Parshas Vayakov B'Kudei, Parshas HaChodesh. First pasuk in Parshas Vayakov, Moshe is called as Bnei Yisrael. Moshe gathered together all of Klal Yisrael. And this is coming on the heels of the Cheder Egel in last week's parsha. Bais Avrohom of Slonim points out that the word Vayakov, to gather, is the same gematria as the word Mikveh. And he says that just like a Mikveh purifies a person who immerses in it, so too Klal Yisrael coming together in unity, gathering together, where each Jew nullifies himself to Klal Yisrael, that purifies a person. Just like a mikveh only works if you go beneath the water goes above your head, so too Klal Yisrael is only matar a person if he goes beneath them and sees every other Jew as being above him. Here Klal Yisrael had just done the Cheder Egel and needed tahara. Moshe's advice was vayakel, gather together in unity. Let everybody have that humility to see other Jews as being greater than themselves. And the Vayakov will serve as a mikveh to purify and cleanse.